Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to build a pure sine wave inverter from scratch using an EGS002 driver module. Here is the circuit diagram of the inverter I built. To control this inverter, I used the EGS002 Inverter driver module, which includes several smart and protective features. Low battery voltage protection, over voltage protection, overload protection, over temperature protection, output short circuit protection, soft start function, dead time adjustment for MOSFET protection, automatic fault detection and shutdown. With all these built-in safety features, the EGS002 module is an excellent choice for building your own pure sine wave inverter. This is a PCB design I created for this project. You can download both the circuit diagram and the PCB Gerber file using the link in the video description. Here is a quick 3D preview of the PCB. This video is sponsored by JLCPCB, a leading manufacturer of high-quality PCBs. JLCPCB makes PCB manufacturing simple, budget-friendly, and incredibly reliable for makers like you. Sign up today and win $70 in new user coupon. JLCPCB offers a wide range of services including 1 to 32 layer PCBs, flexible and transparent PCBs, PCB assembly, 3D printing and multicolor silkscreen PCBs and more. Prices start from just $2 for 1 to 32 layers PCB. To place your order, visit the JLCPCB website, click sign up and create your account. Click order now. Upload your Gerber file, select the quantity, color and settings you need. Once confirmed, your high quality PCBs will arrive within a few days and they look fantastic. Now let's go ahead and assemble the PCB. adjust the output voltage, I am using a potentiometer. In this project, I replaced the default 10K potentiometer with a 50K. The overheating protection also works very well. For testing, I have connected a 100-watt light bulb as the load, and the inverter works perfectly. That's wrap up today's project. A huge thank you to JLCPCB for sponsoring this video, and to all of you for watching and supporting the channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and share it with your friends. And if you are new one here, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting electronic projects every week. See you in the next video. Thank you.